bọc lạnh như tài cái tập với mình có cái gì tầm láng cái gì chập
làm lang khang là cái gì?
oh it's stingy yeah it's stingy no problem so while they are tasting because of their stronger you see mom top video thì em mình you see wow. Here mom say mom put to take the video like this one so this is they're very strong and this one we call the super honey.
Okay.
We can use the frame and the frame is very good frame it become to like a square box and this one we call super honey this
super
one we
honey.
Yeah we export from Cambodia to another country to
wow.
Europe to Japan
Wow.
yeah so this one much more expensive than yeah the honey from the comb
same as well as the super honey as well
yeah but this one we can say the super honey because on the top but the quality is still the same but just different the size so
it's different size beads or
just only the cover it's about 5 to 7 liters
yeah
just only the cover of the top like this
okay yeah
and for the height or the height that is it's about 7 to 10 liters for one height like this.
oh wow.
នេះលោកគ្រូของ MGP គាត់មកនេះលោកគ្រូព្រមមុំមកស្រស់ស្អាត
monitoring
នេះគាត់បានមកជូនខាងបងទៅមកមើលមកថតនេះលឹក
while
ដល់
this
ចំគុំកន្លែង
about មកកោទីនេះមក
ខាងបងហាក់គុំយើងបាទចាំមានបណ្ដោយបងប្អូនអរគុណ
Oh, yeah, I can see it.
yeah with the honey while it's great you see no. Like here one though this one we call the nectar is not honey they are all the nectar is not honey while they the close like this it become to the honey
It becomes honey,
yes,
okay.
yes.
So it's nectar first then
yeah
honey.
nectar first and then while they close it come to honey so here it starting close
Yeah. Oh wow.
inside is honey and here is nectar yes is the nectar so while it's already closed
Yeah.
we allow them to collect the honey
Okay.
some cái giờ nó được kịp bắt chén ini màu đỏ này still not it already nectar but not yet close
Not
so
yet. Okay.
we could not allow them to be
Oh, but these are closed, no?
so they are all the worker
Yeah.
so their function they work they have to collect the nectar from the flower
Oh yeah.
to keep from the bottom
Okay.
up to the top. Yeah
And then it closes.
yeah and it close
Yeah.
the bee work never stop during daytime nighttime
Yeah.
always
Continuously.
they always swing
Yeah.
to dry the nectar become to the honey so this one high I would say could not allow them to harvest the honey
Yeah.
they can also harvest this one because this one is
Not yet full.
already closed when they come to honey would you like to try
Yeah, please.
They want some float thing along. Yeah. So, for next time, I will to use them, train them how to collect the super honey like this.